Hey guys, so today I'm going to do a little unboxing from Jeffree Star. This is his Valentine's box. Being how fast the $75 box sold out, I don't even know if the $40 box is still in stock, but just figured it'd be fun to show you guys what I got, just so you guys get an idea on his future boxes. So here they are. Hoping that these are different because I think in the previous boxes they kind of had like the same items in the boxes. So we're about to find that out today. So let's get into it. So this is when you open it. That's what you get. So I think you're supposed to get like five products or something, full size, I think. I don't know. The first thing that I got is this guy right here. It's one of those pop sockets. I'm pretty sure all the boxes are supposed to get this. Here it is. Look at that red. So nice. Supposed to be able to put this on the back of your phone and then you could like take selfies, I guess. I don't know. So that's cool. This is his Skin Frost and I got it in the color Regina George. My hands. Girl. Here's the packaging. The back. That is pink. So this is the color I wanted my hair one time. Oh my god. This is like Barbie's car. Dip my brush in there. This has a nice shine to it. I would probably use this more of like a blush topper because it's pink. I'm trying to build this up so you guys can see it. I feel like this would make like a cool eyeshadow. You know what? I'm gonna try it. I like that. I like it. Yes. Alright, moving on. I got two of his Velour liquid lips and I got it in the shade Can't Relate, love it, and Clouts. So I have one of Jeffree Star's original products, I guess. I don't really know. My friend gave this to me. And here's the packaging on that. But look at this new one. Like, oh my gosh. So these are the colors. So pretty. I love the packaging. I'm going to go in with Can't Relate because it's a nude. I love nudes. This one's Can't Relate. It dries down matte. And I love his formula for this. I love the lasting power. I love the shade. I love the comfort. It doesn't dry out my lips. This one's Clout. This one's pretty cool. It's drying down matte, but it's keeping its like metallic shine. I don't understand the difference in packaging because this is still Velour liquid lipstick. But anyways, this one is in the shade Watermelon Soda. Oh my god. It smells so good. It smells like watermelon. Girl! Stop. I'm going to be doing 2 coats for all of these, just so you know. Oh. Interesting. Definitely use a lip liner, guys. Definitely use a lip liner. And last for this box, I got one of his lipsticks, and this is in the color Jeffree's Girl. I love his packaging. Like, oh my gosh. So, boom. Time for the second box. So I got another pop socket. Things looking like it's coming in different shades because this is the shade King Tut. This is a bronze shade. So I'm going to apply it onto this side of the face. Ooh, I like this one. Awesome. This one is my favorite. Like, look at that. Look at that. What? It's a little dark. You can see it from right here. It's a little dark. But I ain't mad at it. It feels a lot smoother in the pan versus the other one. Yes. Awesome. Perfect. Love it. There's a pattern. I'm getting 2 of these again. One is in the shade Clout. I already did that. And now I have 2 of these. That's okay. This color's pretty dope. This in the color Scandal. My lips are going to kill me by the end of this video. Next I got Posh Spice. I think I'm going to like this one. This didn't come in the box, I already had this, but this is in the shade I'm Nude. I'm going to try to put it in the center. I like it. The last item I got, and this is in the shade X Supermodel, so, and it's the lipstick. Alright guys, so that's it for this video. All in all, I think it's worth checking out these boxes out whenever they go on sale because I added everything up together. It's about $101. I don't know how much this guy would run, but let's just say $5 or $106. So you get all that for like $40. So that's an awesome deal. So that's it for that video, you guys. If you guys like that video, please give it a thumbs up. I'm gonna wash my face now. Okay. See you guys.